Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you blur your home on Google Maps, so let's jump right into it. First, we go ahead and open our Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. And from here you make sure the Google Maps application is updated for everything to run smoothly. After that we quit from here and open Google Maps. Now let's pick a random location where there is a house to set an example on how can you blur your house or home on Google Maps. Let's tap here and then we tap on the Street View icon, this one right here. This will of course take us to the Street View mode. Let's say this is the house that we want to blur. What we need to do is to tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then we tap on Report a Problem. Wait for a couple of seconds and then you go ahead and here choose in this frame the house and the part of it that you want to blur. As you can see guys, I can do that very easily, and under that I find some information that I need to fill up for Google to make sure that this is my house that I want to blur and why do I want to blur it. As you can see guys, we need to go ahead and tick some boxes and write some messages here, and once I am done I need to verify that I'm not a robot using this CAPTCHA, and then I tap on Submit and they will come back to me with 24 or 48 hours and my house right there should be blurred in that duration. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you very much for watching. See you in future videos.